Supercharge your reading speed. Harness the power of a pacer. Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that will help enhance your reading speed and fluency. We are going to explore the tool that can work wonders for your reading skills, known as a pacer. So, you may ask, what is a pacer? Let's clear this up. A pacer is a tool, technique, or method used to guide your eyes while reading. It's typically a finger, a pen, a mouse cursor, or any other pointer that can physically move across the lines of text. By doing this, you're training your eyes to follow along and stay focused on the words, which in turn enhances your reading speed and comprehension. Now, why use a pacer? Great question. When you use a pacer, it helps reduce the chance of your eyes skipping back to previously read words, a phenomenon known as regression. It also minimizes the time your eyes pause at each word, called fixation. These two factors can significantly slow down your reading speed. But with a pacer, you can overcome them and boost your reading fluency. It's time to learn how to use a pacer. The process is quite simple and straightforward. Let's imagine you're using your finger as a pacer. You start by placing your finger at the beginning of the line you're reading. As you read, you move your finger along with the text. It's crucial to maintain a steady pace that's comfortable for you. As your reading fluency improves, you can gradually increase the pace to challenge yourself and improve further. And there we have it. You now understand the role of a pacer in reading, why it's useful, and how to use one. With practice and patience, using a pacer will soon become second nature to you. Your reading speed and fluency will see significant improvements, making your language learning journey smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, every little step matters when it comes to improving your English reading skills. Keep using your pacer, and you'll see the results in no time. Thank you for joining us today, and keep up the fantastic work on your English learning journey. Until next time, happy reading!